I'm going to be showing you how to check Facebook Marketplace orders. So on Facebook Marketplace, there isn't a full orders dashboard like Amazon or eBay. Marketplace is usually peer-to-peer, so what you can check depends on how the sale happened. So the closest thing you can get to orders is the option of your listings. So let's start with how you're going to get there. You just need to be on your app library and search for Facebook. It's right there. Just go ahead and open it. And once you do, you'll see something like this. So now what you need to do is look at the bottom where you have multiple options. You just need to tap on Marketplace. And after you do, at the top you have options like Sell, Explore, Local. Just go ahead and tap on Sell. So right after you're here, you need to look at the top again, like orders with delivery, inbox, and your listings. So there it is. Just go ahead and tap here, and then you'll have the options of active, pending, and sold. So you just need to tap on sold to see your completed orders. So that's how you check your Facebook Marketplace orders. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.